ملاقيكم ثم تردون إلى عالم الغيب وشهادة فينبئكم بما كنتم تعملون. The death you run away from, that death will surely overtake you no matter how you run, no matter how careful you are, no matter what you do to prevent untimely death. If your time is up, that death will surely come to you. I just want to ask a rhetorical question. When someone dies, we all say, may his soul rest in peace. Why do we always have to rest in peace? Why don't we live in peace?
That's right. You're right.
Why don't we live in peace? And who told you the person that left is going to rest in peace? The very important lesson about death is peace itself. You can see sworn enemies. When they die, they put them side by side. They bear no grudges against each other again. They bear no malice against each other. So if we know this is going to be our end, why don't we start practicing that right from the heart? My lesson this evening is Alhayatun Kasira. Inna al-hayata kasiratun jiddan la tastahiqu al-hidda wal hasada wa qati' al-arham. Let's just take it home. Al-hayatun kasira, life is quite short. No matter how long you live, your memory will soon pass away. People will soon forget about you if you don't have any legacy left behind. Even Prophet Adam, when Allah created him, and Allah showed certain things to him, and he was asking Allah, who is this? Your servant that is going to live just for 50 years alone. His name is Prophet Dawood. Oh, Adam said to Allah, is it possible that you take 50 years from my age and give 50 and add it to Dawood's age? Oh, Allah said, if you wish, because Allah has told Adam that he was going to spend 1,000 years on earth. So he felt, okay, give it 50 to Dawood shouldn't be a big deal. And there was an agreement between Allah and Prophet Adam. So when Adam reached 950, Allah remembered him that it's time to go. The time is up. Adam turned to Allah and said, but he promised me 1,000 years on earth. Allah said, but you gave 50 out to Dawood. He said, no. Was there an agreement between us? Oh, Allah, oh, really? Okay, you can have your 50. Dawood will have his 50, but surely both of you are still going to die. When death came to Prophet Ibrahim, Ibrahim was worried that why will Allah take my soul? Ana Khalilullah, I am his beloved, I am his chosen one. He now told Azrael that, please, can you tell Allah, Al ra'ayta Khalila yakbidu ruha Khalilihi. Please help me ask Allah that, have you ever seen where a friend will take the soul of his friend? I am his friend, I am his beloved. Why will he take my soul? Just like that, all of a sudden. Allah now sent Azrael back to Ibrahim. Ya Ibrahim, هل رأيت خليلا يكره لقاء خليله. Oh Ibrahim, is there a situation where a friend will not want to visit his friend? I said you are my beloved and you agreed. Now I said it's time to come to me. You said no. Oh, Prophet Ibrahim was defeated by what Allah said to him. So if the prophets were not that comfortable to go at that time, but then we know human on earth want to go willingly. But whether it is willingly, whether it is unwillingly, surely إن الموت الذي تفرون منه فإنه ملاقيكم. That death will surely overtake you. But the problem is, we should start living in peace on earth. You are not sure you're going to rest in peace. The Prophet says, Inna lil qabri daqitatan. Inna fil qabri daqitatan. Law kana ahadun najiya minha. Naija Sa'd ibn Mu'adh. لأن العرش تتحرك عند موته والسماوات فتحت له وشهد موته 70,000 من الملائكة. Allah said there is a very serious pressure in the couple. There's a very serious pressure. Every human will encounter this by the time you are buried. The Prophet says, if anyone was going to be saved from this pressure, it should be Sa'd ibn Mu'adh. Because when he was dying, the Al-Arashi, the throne of Allah, was moving ceaselessly. Because of his ibadat and because of his kindness to human beings. Allah was wondering. Aside from that, Allah had to assemble 70,000 angels to take the soul of Mu'adh bin Jabal. And all the doors of heavens were open for him. He had the choice to just go to Al-Jannah from any of these doors. But the Prophet said, even at that, Sa'd bin Jabal was still going to witness that pressure in the Qabr. So if there's no guarantee that Mu'adh bin Jabal was going to rest in peace in Qabr, so where is our guarantee? Where is it coming from? So please, let's try and live in peace. Probably if we live in peace, we might rest in peace. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.